So me and my friends, wait, why am I a chicken? You know, I'm keeping this on. Cause I'm 1v1ing my friend Snowstorm, and he's a cow. It's gonna be the animal 1v1 in Code Comp. It's gonna be crazy. Alright, anyways, we'll just get to the 1v1. Alright, I'm gonna go try and tag him. So, it's not gonna be like a normal 1v1, it's just gonna be like a for fun type of thing. It's not gonna be like anything bad. Hello! Ain't no way I missed. You know what?
Let me know.
You know, you let me know. Tag!
Oh, GG's, bro.
No!
Coming in hot.
Alright, you should be the next
Give me
tagger.
that one movie. Oh.
I'm cooked. Chicken versus cow. Who's gonna win? Chicken provides chicken. Cows provide milk. Let me know. Oh no. King Shark! Oh. No. No. Come on, little boy. Yo!
Ain't no way I missed.
Yo! Yo!
Oh no. Oh, you're so good. Ain't no way I'm losing against a chicken with one wing.
Come on, bro. I'm just a chicken. Oh, shoot. I fell!
Daddy.
Finally!
Wait, follow me over here.
Oh, no. Bro. That was actually pretty fun.
Hold up. I need to
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna be making a fan game soon, right?
What?
I'm gonna be making a fan game soon. It's done quite recently, but I'm gonna.
Wait, I can't hear you. What happened?
I'm gonna make a fan game soon, a Gorilla Tag fan game. So it's gonna be like called like Plush Village, right? Where like you're like gonna be a little teddy bear, and there's like gonna be a horror mode and stuff.
Yeah.
Coming in hot.
My bro died.
Yeah. So if you want, I can make a special cosmetic for you.
Yeah, you should make like a hat that says Ball of VR on it.
Oh.
That wasn't even 1 second.
That's a bad idea.
Bro, let me know.
Let me know. Wait, but
Bro, let me know if you wanted me to calm down like in. Yeah, let me know my
Let me show you this,
G. Oh
Come here, come to the house, come to the house, right?
my.
Come here. So if you come to this house, look, you got it? Let
Huh?
me know.
Let me know.
Let me
Do you love the way I do this? Do you love the way I do this? Blah, blah, blah. That's me now.
I swear, if you make an edit out of you joking me this like 3,000 times,
I'm gonna.
you're gonna make an edit.
Maybe, maybe not. Who knows?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe.
Who knows? Oh, yo, chill. 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 Bro. I still lasted
GG's,
longer.
bro.
I still lasted longer.
Jesus, bro. This is so
Alright.
fun.
Yeah.
I like the way I do it.
Alright, hold on. That's gonna be it.
Oh, damn it.
Alright, that was gonna be it. Thank you for Snowstorm coming in.
Thank you.
But.
So